Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms for another an accessory video in my 2022 Tesla Model 3 Long Range Edition. Today, this video is going to be about installing something that I think that is a no-brainer. If there's any accessory that you get this accessory, and that would be a screen protector. I chose to go with the Spigen. Not really sure how you pronounce it, but I've definitely bought a lot of their products in the past as far as phone cases, and I've always been impressed with their quality and their price. In my opinion, probably one of the best deals out there. But I went with the tempered glass one, and it comes with a everything that you need to install this, including your guided bracket, and that's supposed to make it easy, but we will see. At the time of purchase, this was $39.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link down below, so let's get into it. One of the first things you want to do when you do this is to go into your settings and go ahead and click on the display button and go ahead and put it on the screen clean mode. And what this will do is to keep you from changing any kind of setting when you're putting this on. When I bought mine, came with a little screen protector, very thin, and I've kept it on there for the duration up until this point for this specific reason. And I went with the matte finish protector, and that is because I did not want to put up with the gloss. As you can see, it definitely reflects quite a bit. And let's get this unboxed. And here we are with our Tesla Model Y Model 3 with its Easy Perfect with tray. And we will see how good that is. And it has the anti-glare. And we got a little tool kit. And if we were to look at the accessories, it does come with a little QR code so you can scan to tell you how to get bubbles out. I'm hoping I don't get those. That's one thing that I really hate about when I do screen protectors on my phones, is those pesky bubbles. Got some lens clean wipes, a little squeegee, some dust removal stickers. Hopefully we don't need any of those, and a white cloth to wipe it. And it looks like we've got this is the back. The screen protector is inside this big contraption here that's going to fit directly over our screen. And the screen protector is held in place by this big old sticker here that we're going to remove the back side when we're ready to place it on the screen. And then we're going to slide our finger along here, wait for 30 seconds, and then we're going to remove this sticker, which then will separate the screen protector from our case. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to remove this and then we will see this in all of its glory. And as you can see, it's not reflecting too much right now because I don't have any sun, but it's definitely very pretty. I'm going to remove the back end of this, and we're going to get this in place. And let's use the wipes that come with it and go ahead and clean this screen off, even though I just took the protectant off. I have removed the backing, and up there we've got a top. So you want to make sure that you get that, and it literally fits right over the screen. And now we're just going to press and slide back and forth, which is going to get it to adhere to the screen. And then we are going to wait 30 seconds, and then I'm going to remove this sticker. All right, it's been 30 seconds. Now let's remove this sticker slowly, I would say. Man, it sticks to it pretty good. Holy moly. That means I'm going to have to probably clean that off that. It would be a little easier if I was using both hands. Right. Now I'm going to slowly remove this. I'm going to put this down and I'm going to remove this because it wants to come off. Well, one thing I discovered when you have both hands, I was able to get it to work. Now I'm just going to push out these bubbles. And let's see, I got some at the top. Yeah. Actually pretty easy to get the bubbles out. Usually with these things there is some healing time for it to heal and get all the bubbles out. From what I can see, everything looks pretty good. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to separate this. Alright, I do see a bubble in there. Hopefully we can get that dude out. Overall, it looks pretty good. I really like the anti-glare portion of it. And yeah. Well, time to wrap up this video. Overall, I would say that this was a very easy install. I'm very happy with this. I would probably give this one a 5-star. As anyone that can just look at directions, it's very easy. It fits perfectly. With the guided bracket, it makes things a lot easy. Even if you've never installed, or if you've always been horrible at installing screen protectors, this one is definitely worth the money. And as I said, I got the anti-glare. They do have one that would be very glossy. I highly recommend that you look at your screen as it currently is, and if you're happy with how glossy it is, then you may want to go with the glossy one. Otherwise, I recommend going with the anti-glare one so that it can also keep the fingerprints down. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like down below, give any comments that you might have, and subscribe to my channel, as we will have some more future videos with my Tesla and other content. Thank you for joining us today. Adios.